Hey coding birds. So basically in today's GFG POTD we have a problem union of arrays with duplicates, and it is an easier problem, and the problem statement is given as here given two arrays A and B. Return the union of both the arrays of in any order. Okay. The union of two arrays is a collection of all distinct elements present in either of the arrays. If an element appears more than once in one or both arrays, it should be included only once in the result. And note is also given elements of A and B are not necessarily distinct. Note that you can return the union in any order, but the driver code will print the result in sorted order only. So here in the given problem we have two arrays, and that two arrays can contain maybe like a distinct element also, or may not be considering. Okay, so the thing is that here we have to create the union of both the arrays, and we know very well about union means we already like familiar with union inside sets. Okay, intersections, we know very well about all those things. So unions, we can say that all the elements which belongs to a set A or set B, then we can say that it is considered to be like union. Okay, that means all the elements of set A and B in simple terms, that is called as union. So how we can do these things and how we can solve this problem? So first of all, let's understand this first example here. So basically here input value is like 1 2 3 2 1, which is like not in the sorted way, and our questions also demand it doesn't matter about what is the sequence or what is the order of the given array, but the thing is that we have to return our final output in the sorted manner, right? So here if I'm talking about the example 1 here, so here 1 2 3 2 1 and 3 2 2 3 3 2. Okay, so at final we can easily say that it is like 1 2 3, because in union repetition is like not allowed, and so and order is like also not the main concern. Okay, so but here the question demands our final output should be in the sorted order. So here our final output will be like 1 2 3. So here we can say that our expression is like union set of both the array will be like 1 2 3. Similarly, if I'm talking about this example here, so here 1 2 3 in the first array and 4 5 6 in the second array. So if we make union of A union B, then here we get all the values of A and all the values of B, so it is like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so yeah, that's the problem statement, and it is asked in like Zoho and Rockstand, and we need to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of n plus m, and auxiliary space is like order of n plus m, and this is like completed based on hash map. Okay, so here from this we can got the idea of that we can use hash map or like data structures, algorithms and arrays, but we can solve this one by using set itself easily, because we are going to solve here problem which is related to like sets. So here we can simply create a set, because sets basically store only distinct elements, it does not store duplicates value. Okay, and second thing is that as question also demands that it's not the main concerns for the array to be sorted. Okay, so we just simply take what here. First of all, I'm going to define the set. So here I'm declaring unordered set, which I have to take it in the integer form, and then after that I can say it as set. Then after that, what is my approach? I need to traverse here. We need to traverse in both the array, and insert all the value of arrays to a set. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to traverse. So for first array I can select for int I. Here I'm using for each loop. So for int I, where I traverse from, I need to traverse it from array A. Then after that I can simply use our set, which is st dot. Here I have to use insert method for set to insert the value. Okay, here to simply put pass I, and similarly I need to also do it for the second array, which is our array B. So for int I, which is traversing inside B, and then after that here we just simply take its elements and put it into the our set. Okay, so it's st dot insert of I. Once we have like done these things, then our arrays like or our we can say that sets contains both the values of array A and array B. Now once we have like done these things, now we have to return our final output, but here it is mentioned that here we have to return our final output in the sorted manner. So here we can create a vector also. Okay, vector of integer type, and here we can declare it as an answer, and here we will simply pass all our values of set to a vector, or we can simply say that here we convert the set into an array. Okay, into an vector array. Okay, we can say simply vector. So here answer we have passed, and inside that we have to simply pass our set. So s2 dot begin, and then we can say that s2 dot end. Once we like pass this set inside the array or inside the vector, we can simply sort our vector. Okay, sort answer dot begin and answer dot end. Once we have like sorted this, our final answer, we can simply return our answer vector. Let's try to compile and run. So yeah, here compilation is completed and it escapes well. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.